Ariana, a big girl with a sippy cup. Show Grandma your skirt. Can you show Grandma your skirt? No letting water run out of your mouth. Drink your water like a big girl. Come here. Show Grandma how you drink. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Show Grandma how you drink your water like a big girl. Come here. Yeah. We should do it like that with hard cider. Baby girl. Ariana Rose. Let Grandma see you. Can I see you, please? This skirt makes your butt look big. You look like Kramer with that hair. You're a pretty cute kid. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. Hey. Ariana Rose. Rosie. How's your water?